This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the Planters Plant Food.
I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm talking about shade plants today. This is a shade garden that is in a part of my yard that has woods up next to it. So we have a lot of like native plants we want to reseed in this area. The tip here, no naked soil. So what I've done is I've used perennials and plants that love the shade, that are totally covered in the soil so I don't have to weed. So this I love. This is a slug-resistant perennial. These are called Bruneras, the Looking Glass Brunera and Jack Brunera, and they have these great big leaves. And then this plant here is a Saxifrage, Saxifrage London Pride, another plant that thrives in the shade. They sprout these pink blooms, which are lovely because they're easy to snap off the plant. Long-lasting cut flowers. That is Saxifrage London Pride. So then we have a lungwort. Lungwort is kind of slightly hairy, just like the Brunera leaves. So these are slug and deer resistant plants as well. Here is another Brunera, and this is a Solomon seal. This is a Solomon seal. It has these little dangling blooms on it that is variegated, that I kind of think lights up this dark shaded area, as well as the brightly silver-colored leaves of the Brunera. But here's a tip. The Brunera here are just finishing blooming. They have these big wands of light blue flowers that look like baby's breath. Let me show you where there's one of these left. I like to go in here and remove, here's one. Pull off these spent blossoms, this is from the Saxifrage, of the Brunera. So they bloom with these little baby blue flowers. When they're done blooming, just reach your hand in and pull, or use your clippers and snip off these long stems. And what that's going to do is going to stop the Brunera from going to seed and seeding all over, perhaps even in your lawn, and keep the plants nice and neat and compact, and you'll enjoy them all summer long. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.